Information is everywhere today. From computers to cell phones, people have data at their fingertips. Weather apps are easily accessible on iPhones and Android devices, bringing you a personalized forecast. But where does that forecast come from? Your apps have the capability to bring you real-time information and forecast data to help you plan your day. For St. Joseph and surrounding cities, our real-time data comes from this station here at Rosecrans Memorial Airport. It gives us information like wind speed, temperature, humidity, all determined by these instruments. The data is then taken and pushed into a model. Many weather models exist to give us mathematical understanding to an ever-changing environment, the atmosphere. Each model uses different math and different variables to explain how the atmosphere might react over a certain amount of time. The model data is then taken and pushed into your app to give you a forecast. Model data sent to most apps are in the form of numbers that can then be translated to a high temperature or a percentage of rain.
Some models do really well in snowstorms where they don't do severe weather this time of the year very well, and vice versa. And so you really don't know what you've got there based on the app. What model is it? How old is the data? How quickly is it refreshing for you? So they're guidance and should only be considered guidance, but just because it's suggesting you may have severe weather tonight or tomorrow doesn't mean that's going to happen.
Meteorologists, forecasters, and atmospheric sciences use their knowledge, real-time data from satellites, weather balloon data, and these models to give you a more accurate forecast and a breakdown of current or developing storms.
The benefit, whether it's the local media or the National Weather Service, is we've got the expertise to know which model is seeming to be performing and handling the situation for any given day, which one's best, or if none of them are working, where we can override and make adjustments to be able to produce the most accurate forecast based on the information. We're just going with any particular model, you're not going to get that. You don't know if it's right or wrong.
Some apps can warn you of approaching storms by showing severe thunderstorm warnings, but meteorologists can break down this information and show you where the greatest danger can be. Apps are very good for showing current content and giving you a computerized forecast, but it is a computer, which is restricted by its mathematical parameters.
When your phone goes off that says bad weather's moving in, let's say a severe thunderstorm warning, I think that's the time to change over to your local media and get the latest information, the most accurate information as far as where the storm is and what it's been doing and where it's going. The application can only say, hey, bad weather's in the area, seek shelter, but take it one step further. That's the time to plug in, get on it, turn on your television or your radio, or get on the web and do some investigating, but don't take the app as gospel.
Your best bet to keep your family and property safe is to watch your local weather forecaster or use websites like the National Weather Service to give you a better interpretation of the atmosphere. Christian Johansen, Fox 26, KNPN.